How to sell a house in California in probate without court approval, saving you time and money. We get into that next. Welcome back to the channel featuring the leading probate real estate team in all of California. I'm Brendan Mohr, Realtor and Certified Probate and Trust Specialist by the California Association of Realtors.
And I'm Bill Heyman. I'm a licensed California professional fiduciary, as well as I'm a registered and bonded legal document assistant specializing in probate work. And lastly, I'm also a licensed California real estate broker.
Please like and subscribe right now. If you're looking to save time, money, and avoid the headaches of probate, call us today. We've helped families in California save thousands in costs and fees. We may be able to do the same for you. Our contact info is in the About section. Don't wait. Let's talk today. Want to sell a house in probate in California without waiting for court approval? Most people do not know how to do this, that this option even exists. But in many cases, you can skip the court process. We're going to explain how. Now, Bill, probate can be complicated, and it's people hear the word probate and they think, oh my gosh, how am I going to do this?
It scares a lot of people.
Yeah, and then when there's a house involved, they're thinking, is this going to go to an auction? Do I even have time to sell this house before the bank maybe forecloses on it if they can't afford mortgage payments? There's so many different things that can happen, but we can make sure that they don't actually need court approval to actually sell the house. They just need a certain type of approval to give them authority to do it.
Right.
Now, in probate, there's something called full authority and limited authority. Now, full authority is awarded under a special act. What is that act, Bill?
Well, that I believe it was, I could be wrong, but I believe it was back in the 1980s at some point when they really revised a lot of the probate code. But anyway, make a long story short, it's called the Independent Administration of Estates Act. And it was some changes to the probate codes to attempt to simplify the probate process, especially when you need to sell a home in probate. And they put that act into place. And as long as when you file for probate, you ask for it. A lot of people forget to check the right boxes and ask for it, but as long as you do, the court will normally give you full authority.
Yeah, and there are certain roadblocks that the court may say, no, I'm sorry, we can't give you full authority. We're going to have to give you limited authority. Now, full authority, you can sell the house without court confirmation, without the court saying, okay, we approve of this contract, we approve of this buyer, which can take months, which is what happens in limited authority. And because that happens in limited authority, it limits your pool of buyers because it can take months from the point you accept an offer to get to court. And most buyers don't want to do that. Most of the time they want to get a loan. The lending regulations locking in their interest rate expire by then. So you typically have to sell at a discount, and it's a much more costly process in court fees. It takes a long time.
Yeah, it does. And in limited authority, there's just a lot more hurdles that you have to go over to get a home sold in probate than you do versus full authority.
Now, we're going to give you our expert solution here. So this is how you can make sure that you do not have to have court approval to sell that house. It'll save you time and money. We help executors determine their authority so they avoid delays. Now, some of the ways we do that, Bill, and you're a probate administration pro, licensed professional fiduciary. So what are some details of your service?
Well, I mean, essentially what I will do for our clients is if they would like me to assist them, I will do the entire probate administration for them. As long as there's no disagreement among the family. It has to be what we call an uncontested matter. I can't do contested matters. But essentially I do the entire probate administration for them at a highly reduced rate as compared to an attorney, provided they list the probate home with our real estate services. I'll take care of that. But essentially I will make sure that the paperwork is done correctly so that the court will give you full authority. And it's very rare that we're unable to get full authority. Certain cases where that can happen would be situations where Maybe, for example, the personal representative, executor or administrator, for whatever reason, is unable to get bonded and a bond is needed. Then you might be forced into limited authority in a situation like that. But that's rare. That's very rare. And in situations like that, there are other options available to get sole authority, perhaps using another family member or myself. I act as administrator for a lot of estates, and I can easily be bonded.
That's right. So basically, we help to guide you through the right paperwork. We make sure that we do everything we can to get you full authority so you're not making mistakes on your own and have to get limited authority and have to go through that court process. We connect you with everyone in our full team involved in probate and probate real estate that knows the process, from our title company and our transaction team, knows how to get everything done quickly and for less. And we also have buyers ready. If you need to sell quickly, if it's perhaps a fixer, you need an investor to come and get you top dollar for what an investor will pay, we have that. But if you really want to get top dollar, we have a great marketing strategy that I don't really talk about on our channel because it's our kind of secret, but we have a marketing strategy that helps get you top dollar for your home, so you're maybe selling above market value. So before you list your home or hire a probate service, perhaps an attorney or a legal document assistant out there, please look for our information on our channel. Give us a call or send us an email. We'd love to talk to you. It's free to talk, and we will listen to you and give you your options and tell you what we can do for you. Now, Bill does this all over the state, all over California. He does probate administration work. He'll do it from start to finish for you. And as far as the real estate part, I'm in Sacramento. I work within 2 hours of Sacramento, but I am connected with several agents in our team who know probate. It's very, very important that you work with a probate realtor, a realtor who knows probate. It's vastly different than just regular real estate. It'll save you a lot of stress. So give me a call and I will connect you with a great agent elsewhere in California. Our info's in the About section. Love to hear from you.